Hi everybody. Looks like I'm gonna go play again. This time there's no snow. Oh, I didn't put that video up yet. Maybe I'll tie it in here. Well, I decided I'm gonna go play. I'm gonna go open this road. So here's my first trip into the bush. Bye-bye. But yeah, found a nice little road. Gonna go play. Went through a couple of mud puddles already, but oh my. Oh my. Oh my.
You gotta get your intro. Look at this.
My intro?
Yeah. Every YouTuber. Wow. You gotta get the standard YouTuber intro. Hey guys,
it's gonna be
me.
all one video. I'll just splice it together.
Hey guys, it's me, Windmoor. We're back with another Minecraft playthrough.
I wonder what that is.
We have located something. A limbo practice field.
For really tall people.
Bigfoot's out here.
Excuse me.
We're back on the hunt for Bigfoot.
Well, I have a little sticker on the back window of my truck and it says, fuck it.
Are you a 4x4?
Yes.
Okay.
Baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Keep going.
I am. Holy motherfuck me, cocksucker. Holy shit. I hope it comes out somewhere else. Yay! These roads are fucking... Where the hell is it? Okay, I can see one shoulder. Where's the other one?
Real adventurers make their own roads.
All right. Well, I technically I am making my road right now. I hope the road continues.
Well, it looks like it goes to the left here.
No, it goes across the train tracks.
I guess it does.
Hope there's not a train. Somebody's gonna come along and see my tracks in here and go, who's the fool went down here?
Probably.
Wee, wee. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, okay. Ah. Hi. Ooh, ah, wee. Whoop. Wow, just look at that shit. Holy fuck. Let's not make any big bangs or stop underneath it. That's fucking sketchy as shit. We're gonna die. Okay, maybe we're not. But that was scary. I don't want to go under the tree nor go through the lake, so we have to find an exit to this road. Maybe, you know, I have that service appointment on Monday. I might tell them, you know, you might want to look at doing the touch-up for the paint already.
No, you're just gonna make it worse, so why bother?
Touche. Good God, man.
I need a windshield light. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, it's coming. Wow. This is fun. Can't believe I turned down the mud hole to drive down this road.
The mysterious Windmoor. What does he look like?
Well,
nobody knows.
The internet, you see, once you put your face out there, you can't take it back. And those that actually know who I am, they know who I am. Doesn't matter. But once the entire world knows who I am, I can't, I don't know. A lot of people, it's part of the problem with the internet, you know? You can't have your anonymity. And it's just be, you know, what happens if we happen to do something incredible and it becomes viral or whatever. All of a sudden now, everybody and their dog knows who I am. And
You're
it's
famous.
like, yeah, but I don't want that. I just want to be me. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
Oh,
Again?
Just a little. Look, it's just a puddle.
Oh, here we go again.
Just a little puddle. See? Just a little puddle.
Yeah, okay, you're right. I'm freaked out, okay? That last one was not cool. That scared the living shit out of me. Oh, cool.
What?
I'm grabbing that.
What are you grabbing? What?
Run out front of the truck and look at it.
Look what we found.
Looky, looky.
1, 2, 3, 4 points.
Nice, eh?
Very nice.
I'm keeping that.
Can I have it?
Oh, don't bring that camera up, please.
Yeah, you're good.
Can you have it? Excuse
Yeah.
me?
Can I have it?
What?
Done. You don't collect dead animals, I do.
Trees creeping in on either side of the road.
Yeah, let's just not run into another pond that makes the road like exactly the width of my car.
Oh, that was fun.
No. It was nerve-wracking. Oh, no. What was that? I wasn't expecting it. Wow. Wow.
Oh. Oh, boys.
Speaking of the width of my vehicle.
That was a tight little bridge.
Wow. Holy shit. Okay. I need to stop, change my panties.
That could have gone very wrong.
We didn't bring a chainsaw or an axe or a saw or...
Hopefully we don't come across anything too terrible then.
Nah, I'm hoping not. Because I don't want to back across that little bridge.
I'm sure we could
boy.
find a spot to pull a 35-point turn.
Yeah. That's pretty much
In a
it.
picture of like on Austin Powers when he's got the little buggy stuck between the two walls and he can't. That'll be us. All right, so as you guys can see, we're back on civilized roads.
So we're off-roading.
Yeah, pretty much. It's
We're now off-roading.
sad that we get to the actual road and it's more off-roady than the trail was.
The trail was so smooth. I need to air up, man. This is just brutal on my tires. Oh, shit. Fuck me.
These old mountain roads are rough.
Mountain roads?
Mountain road.
Woohoo! Mud me! Mud me! What did we find here? This looks interesting. Little campground in the middle of nowhere. So it's got an outhouse. Nice little lake. Damn. Look at the minnows going nuts right there. Hey everybody. Yeah. This is why I want to build my truck into an overlander. Because this is way too epic. Yeah, we ended up with some crap on the ground and that. But the old girl, she's getting some dirt on her for once, making her look like she's a used truck. Yeah, but she's holding up pretty good. Loving her. Can't believe that water came over the hood. What a good girl. What a good girl. But yes, this is what it's all about. Just listen. I love it. We got another lake, I think. Maybe, perhaps, possibly. Oh boy. Although it doesn't look as bad as the last one. Is that tree hanging in my face? No. Okay, we're good. No, this is alright. Be a little soft, but she's alright. Look at this shit. I'm so glad I got the paint protection option for my extended warranty. Wow, this is fun. I don't want to go back across the lake though. That's too scary for me. Yep, brand new 2019 Tacoma, and I'm driving through the trees. I love it.
Whoop-de-doo.
Whoop-de-doo. Sorry if you get drunk watching this video, but hey, it's all, we're trying to make it, you know, like VR without the VR. Well guys, it looks like I've reached the end here. Yeah, if I gotta do a lake, I'm gonna do the one that I know I can get across. If you can see right there, the berm is sticking out towards where the road is, and he's taking the mud from this side, so that'll push me into the hole. I'm not willing to take that risk. I'm gonna take my finger out of it, it's getting blurry. I'm not willing to take that risk there. So looks like we're gonna do the lake again. We'll have to record it again. That's just gonna be the way it is. Well, it's time to die again. I think I'm gonna put my window up. Oh my God, what am I doing?
Here we go. And stay to that side as much as you can.
Yeah. Here we go. Big stick right there. That sucks. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you, girl. Woo! Woo! Oh God, thank you. Oh my God. Oh my God.
That was actually less scary the second time.
It was. The anxiety is what I'm freaking out about because I had so much. Holy crap. Oh man, what an amazing truck. Buy yourself a Tacoma. Well, here we go. We're coming out of the bush now. Not much to her. Probably got a bunch of scratches under all this freak crap all over the truck. Hit a lot of trees. Well, still got parts of them. Yeah, got a little bit of mud on the tires and a little bit of mud here and there. Might have to go take her, get her washed up. Get it cleaned up a little bit. I just hit a puddle with this tire, so that's why it's all cleaned up. But yeah, we got some mud all over the place. But we got one major problem. It's actually a pretty big problem. Let's just take a looky dookie right down and under there. How do you like that? Isn't that pretty? But I said I was going to break her. I guess I did. Gotta get a new skid plate. But yeah, gotta love my girl.